Hey folks, we're back in the dining room. We're doing large vases. You thought it was tight in here before. Now we got 2 trees in here. It's really slimmed down. I just want to show you what we're doing, and we'll make it fast and furious right here on my take on home and garden. We have the big floor vase. Now we just want to get some nice pieces in. Here's some frozen holly, and we have a background of some turning plum leaves. I like to leave that in there. Here is some gold stems. And where you're gonna go? Deer antlers. Now we're really getting down home to have them included, right? Got these berries. Really pretty. Now take a look at these. Might go with a couple oversized dahlia. Some people think it's too much. We just don't. Watch the before and after here. Here's the frozen branch in the floor vase. We got a little plum branch left. We got this cute poinsettia. Little sparkle here. We'll have that in as well. We're gonna, you see the biggest fan-like piece in the back, then how you gonna beat it? We gotta get that green, evergreen going on. The berries are red, yes, we're not doing red here, but berries will pass. They'll be okay. Here's a neat frosty berry pick. Get that in there too. Now you'll notice it kind of ties in with the buffet piece. There's another frosty berry branch, a little different. I want to use in this on the opposite side. Holy moly, look at that. That's really getting cute. I think we're going to top it off with this frozen berry branch. Yeah, I got a gold branch in there. You can do a gold branch in there. Pull that out just a little bit, believe it or not. Plenty of room. We're gonna do the same thing in this vase. We're gonna give her some white poinsettia and get out of this corner before Angela sends me to the moon with her editing tools. Folks, fast and furious. That's the 4 floor vases. I'm going to take you and show you all around. Folks, if you liked our video today, give us a comment, give us a thumbs up, a like, a share, or subscribe. Send a bus from church over. Get us some subscribers so we can stay. If you like what we're doing, thank you guys for coming by. Take care now, and you know we're going to see you soon. And just around the corner, that next Christmas video. So long, everybody, and see you soon.